Spirit if the Messiah not yet raised from the dead. After the Messiah died, and then resurrection from the dead, and then He gave back the Spirit was lost in the Garden of Eden. That's why the time of Adam, we are naked until Jesus Christ come, and then Jesus Christ rose from the dead, and then He gave back the grace. That's why when Jesus Christ raised in, peace be with you, receive the Holy Spirit. And then, he said to His disciple, go to the four corners of all the world, baptize them in the name of the Father, of the Son, the Holy Spirit. So that's our mission. We share about, kasi the good news, because the good news, Jesus Christ,